Good morning, everyone. This is Oladeji Gibson. I am doing a live demonstration for my final project for the class of AWD 2023. Uh, yeah, all right, let's get into it. So, the things I've learned this semester are about a ASP.NET, Entity Framework, Azure, and then Model View, and then controllers. So, basically, we just learned everything about ASP.NET. It's pretty interesting, really. Like, it was hard in some parts and easier in others. Um, how I feel about it is I'm not too sure. It definitely started off hard. At least it felt like it was hard when we were first starting off with the model view controllers, but I should get into that later. Anyway, it was a pretty interesting code base to learn about. Definitely something I could probably see myself using in the future, but that's again for the future. So the thing I enjoyed most about this course was ASP.NET itself. Like, it was just interesting to learn about it, but I guess that's a bit vague. But to be more specific, I think I enjoyed the models, views, and then controllers. Because controllers are like where you put your classes and all that, where you put like your data, essentially like that. Your views are basically where you just code your HTML and just put all your like front end data, I suppose you would say, and then the controllers is all the back end type stuff. So it's kind of like organized in a way that I really liked, really. So that's what I most enjoyed about it. Hurdles about ASP.NET or this course would be, well, again, learning about it. Like, it started off like, seemed like, oh man, this is gonna be hard. Like, learning about the models, views, and controllers. Like, it just felt like too much at the beginning, but then like as soon as like later on into the semester, but like maybe the second week or so, it started making sense. At first, it was just like, oh man, this looks like mumble jumble or whatever, and yeah, it just got easier with time, and that was probably the first hurdle. The second hurdle is, like I said here, applying what we learned. So, of course, once you first like learn of something, it's like difficult to figure out like what to do with it, like how would this work. It sometimes it clicks, other times it really doesn't. It just That's some of the hurdles that happened in this class, but overall, just working with it more, it started making sense and it worked out fine. And so learning new technology, so learning about the entity framework core and all that, like connection strings and things of that nature, like doing stuff like that, and like messing with the app and like doing routing and all that. It was like a bit difficult at first, but again, as I said, it got easier at time. And so yeah, those are some of the hurdles that happened along the way, but there are definitely hurdles you could jump over. Just again, it takes time. So yes, that's the end of the PowerPoints. Now onto the actual app itself. Now, here is the actual app itself. So to begin with would just be the home controller. So just basic stuff. Just it's basically going to be the home screen, like what you first see. So for my app, I made it so it's going to be more like an in-house kind of website. So only like employees, managers, and those of people that already been like pre-registered are able to log in. So it's not like a public type of website. Essentially, it's just in-house only. So let's say you're an employee, so you've already have like you applied for the job and they made you an account. Now you log in, or if you're a manager, you log in because this is when you manage users and do things of that nature. So this is just a home screen, the title, and all that technical support, and obviously this is the admin page for if for the like base users or customers or something, they'll have something different because this is technical support. It isn't like the actual like homepage itself, or like the actual like main website essentially, because something like that would be more like Amazon wise, because obviously a customer wouldn't really understand what this is or what this is about. But yes, this would be the homepage of the in-house website. So the next thing to move on to is, I guess, products. So products, the controller. Um, the first thing, as soon as you click on the link, it'll take you to the list, and as you can see, the list just takes the data from the database and orders it by its name, and then returns the product. And I won't get into too much detail, as that would take 50 years to explain and all that. I'm trying to make this video short. Okay, and as you can see, click on products. Shows you the list of products. Like you can edit, like you can edit the name. So I guess let's just add another 0 to that, and um, yeah, that's how that'll work. And then you click save. As you can see, that was added. Yep, right there. You can add products, but as you can see, if you can edit it, then you can obviously add a new product. And so yes, that's products. So technicians, as you can see, there's a list of technicians already. You can edit, delete, and add technicians just the same as you could do with products. And then there's customers. These are the list of customers that have been registered or logged into the site. So, like, let's say like they're on the main website, they will register themselves an account, and they would be added to the database with all their information. And then an admin can come in here and edit them or delete them however they want. Incidents. There's like issues that are happened with like the website or whatever it's going to be used for. But as you can see, like there's an incident with the product like league scheduler. Like it's an error launching data and all that. And the customer is the one that uh, rep- um filed the issue and all that. And there are no unassigned, and they're all open. So let's see. So let's quickly do this. So customer Kendall, I guess. Then this is the list of the products we all that were all already there. So there, and then let's give this a title of draft not working or something. And same thing, draft not working. And then the technician this will be assigned to is unassigned because we want this to be unassigned. And then you can pick the date. Let's see, the date it was open is there, and yep, there we go. So you don't have to actually do a close date because it's only closed if it's been fixed. So as you can see, it's been added. I didn't set a time, but yeah, as you can see, Kendall is the one that did it, and let's see, you can see it's unassigned and all that. And then we can delete it, and it's no longer there. So this incident, now we can do registrations. Now let's see, Kendall again. Kendall is a very loyal customer, it seems. So there are no products registered under this customer, so they haven't selected any products. So let's see. Yeah, let's select the new product we just made, and we can register it. As you can see, they can register products under them. So there, and then they can also delete products. So as you can see, there's no more products. He just decided he doesn't want anything. So yeah, and the last thing would be update incidents. So let's see here. I probably should have kept that old incident in what's it called? Like updated here, but anyway, we'll just use one of the older ones. So again, we got Kendall. So we can switch between like incidents to choose whatever we want to like update them however we want. So sorry for the weird cut, but yeah, I just had to quickly do something. But yes, as you can see, you can well, you can only edit the description because you can't really change any of this because this is the actual issue itself and all that with the customer and all the information. So, but I guess you can change. Well, you can only change the description and the date closed, but can't really see any of that information here. So I believe the only thing that needs to be shown now is registration because I don't believe I made a new user. So let's go with uh just let's make Vinny a character or an account, and his pass name is of course going to be password. Yes, very secure because like all the other passwords, his has a uppercase. So after that, you can register. Yes, it's an email. My bad. That was a very simple mistake. Now you can register, and as you can see, we are registered as Vinny. And then yes, that should be all. Thank you for your time, and have a great rest of the day.